What is ColonialWebb Care 365? Plain and simple, it is peace of mind for your business. Because your HVAC systems are required 365 days per year, regular planned maintenance and care will keep your assets performing reliably and efficiently. Operations and maintenance is one of the three primary components of life cycle costs. The first costs, operations and maintenance expenses, are a visible factor. Your system's condition directly affects the other two components, capital spend and energy consumption. Opportunity may exist for improving your utility spend and your indoor air quality. However, risks may exist for capital expenses. Do you know your inventory and capacity of systems? How old your systems are? What the expected life cycle of those systems should be? Your needs are unique to your situation. What is outsourced? What is handled with in-house staff? What are your objectives? How many assets are in your inventory? We'll provide customized options so you can make the best decision for your organization. The outcome of having ColonialWebb Care 365 are systems running as designed, lower lifecycle costs, and better risk management. Protecting your critical assets with professional ColonialWebb Care will help you maximize the life cycle of your investments. Visit colonialwebb.com to learn more about our building service offerings.